Hi folks, this is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to talk about how you can download and install iOS update over cellular on your 5G equipped iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. It is worth noting that Apple generally limits iOS update downloads to Wi-Fi only. However, if you have 5G equipped iPhone 12 series, you can download and install iOS updates over 5G. Let's see how it works. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get it done, launch Settings app on your iPhone and you have to select Cellular. Now you have to choose Cellular Data Options and then you have to select Data Mode. Now finally you have to select Allow More Data on 5G. That's pretty much it. From now onwards you'll be able to download and install iOS updates over 5G. It is worth noting that iOS updates can only be downloaded if you have 5G connectivity. If your iPhone 12 is connected to an LTE network, you won't be able to download iOS updates using cellular. So keep it in your mind.